Hello everyone. Hello Doge family. We could be seeing it play out tomorrow. We know that the weekends can be extremely volatile, and we know that Sundays can also be a massive day. Right now Bitcoin is trying to break out. We are going to take a look at that. We are going to take a look at what that means for Dogecoin. But my Dogecoin family, my Dogecoin community, we need to show up and show out, guys. Everybody right now, make sure you smash like button. First of all, leave a comment on how much Dogecoin. Before we go into details, please like my video and subscribe. You own in the comment section right now. And number 3, make sure you guys follow me channel. Like in the description of this video. We need to show up and show out on every single platform to continue to grow our presence, to continue to grow the entire Dogecoin community, because that's what it's all about, guys. And one more thing, put your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. Why am I so happy, guys? Because I'm so excited. There's been so much bearishness in the entire market. Everybody says Bitcoin in the entire crypto market and Dogecoin were going to zero. We were going into a massive bear market, right? That's what everybody's been saying, and we have been on this channel pounding. Talking about this is where you want to accumulate. Talking about when this market gets back to being bullish, a lot of people are going to be sitting on the sidelines because they bought into the manipulation, they bought into the fear. This is why we have been talking about being greedy in this market right now. But that being said, guys, sit back, relax, subscribe to the channel. Now of course there can be breakouts to either side, but like we have seen here, those breakouts to this side, there was a breakdown to this side, but the main trend is still trading inside of this triangle. Now of course people are predicting that by the time we get down to the end of this triangle, there's going to be a major move, and that move is going to be up or down. Now of course that kind of information doesn't really help you. Like we know it's going to move up or down, but at least that where and when, what kind of price action you can see and expect from the price, so you can be like, okay, well, this is what I expected. So when I saw yesterday Bitcoin get rejected on this yellow line, that is when I knew in the price of Dogecoin we were going to get a rejection, because if Bitcoin doesn't know that a lot of the cryptocurrencies aren't going to be pulling higher as well. And we also see now, as we see Dogecoin, I don't know why it just brought me off the chart, but we also see Dogecoin. If we click play, I don't know where this is, let's go back. If you also click play, if I zoom into this, if I can just zoom into this chart, you guys can see that we are kind of getting a bounce on this line right here, which is really nice. So we are getting a bounce on this. So I think if Dogecoin does stay in this area here, this area is not too bearish at all. This is a good area where we want Dogecoin to be. As long as WQE can stay in this area, bounce around in this area, that's going to be good. Because if we bounce around in that area, all we need to do to flip bullish is to get on this yellow line, because this yellow line is historically where the upward trend could possibly start. And as you guys can see, we haven't really had any major move outside of this yellow line since 6th of June, literally 6th of June, we haven't had any major movement. That was one move. Now of course it looks like a fake breakout, and if this is going to be a breakout which continues what I am expecting, if the uptrend continues, which I don't think it is right now because Bitcoin got pulled back, what we would see is you would see a test on this line and then future continuation. That is what we would see if you are a bull right now. You are expecting Dogecoin, I hover on this line and then it go through right here. Me, I'm not too much of a bullish just yet, simply because we have all the factors that have told us that we are in a bear market, at least temporarily right now. Things can change rapidly in the crypto market, so just pay attention for that. And so right now, if I just actually go on this chart, so if we go on this chart, as you guys can see right here, one of the things on our recent video, a lot of people were saying that this was the bottom. What I don't want to say that overall it was, but of course in the bottom of this trend, this is definitely the bottom, because what we did have a cup head, not cup head actual. I talked about this previous video, I talked about how we had head and shoulders revel band, and this is usually the bottom. Now of course if you have this right here, if you do that, basically what that is, you guys can't even see that because of the color. There we go, make that yellow, and basically what that basically shows us is that shows us the neckline, and the neckline basically it's going to be the confirmation of the upgrade. Now those of you thinking, oh my god, we missed the dip, guys, overall Dogecoin is still in a downtrend. So for example, we did have a similar cup and handle formation, small one, this really small one right here. Let's get right into it. We are up to 1.3 trillion, up 4.10%. Bitcoin has now flipped back to being bullish, now up 5.24%, back above 32,000. Guys, we broke him up to like 32.8 or 33 JSUT a minute ago. We are coming right back down to test 32,000. If 32,000 thousand play itself out in the next 24 hours, definitely keep your eye here. Guys, what does that mean for Dogecoin? Like we have been talking about, like I called last night, I told you guys expecting a breakout for Bitcoin, and I was expecting a 30-cent Dogecoin within a week. I believe that is 100 on the table, guys. I believe into July we are going to see some massive things for the entire crypto market. I'm telling you guys, I still believe that Bitcoin's going over 100k this year, and I 100 believe that Dogecoin is going to $1 inevitably. Relax, put your hands in the air like you just don't care, because this market's going to be bullish and we are all about to make some serious money. And like always guys, not financial advice by any means, but if you want to change your financial future, in my personal opinion, I would be investing in cryptocurrency. I would be investing in Dogecoin, and I would sit back and relax and tell my friends that they should bought the dip, because we are about to go to the moon and we are just talking a quick pit stop. That being said guys, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. You are new here because we are going to the moon and I don't want any of you guys to miss the road with me. Let's continue with another analysis. Dogecoin daily tech analysis. May 27th. It's a bearish start to the day for Dogecoin. Failure to move back through the day's pivot level would leave support levels in play. Dogecoin rose by 2.02% on Wednesday, following a 5.43% decline on Tuesday. Dogecoin ended the day at $0.3535. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning low $0.3392 before making a move, steering clear of the first major support level at $0.3192. Dogecoin rose to a late morning intraday high $0.3674, falling short of the first major resistance level at $0.3773. Dogecoin slid back to an early afternoon intraday low $0.3372. Continuing to steer clear of the major support levels, Dogecoin moved back through to 35 cents levels to end the day in the green. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was down by 2.69% to $0.3440. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.3536 before falling to a low $0.3419. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. For the day ahead, Dogecoin would need to move back through the $0.3534 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.3675 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break back through to 36 cents levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Wednesday's high $0.3674 would likely cap any upside. In the event of a broad-based crypto rebound, Dogecoin could test resistance at 40 cents before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.3816. Failure to move back through the $0.3534 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.3393 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of the second major support level at $0.3252. A sustained fall through the 62% fib of $0.2882 would form a near-term bearish trend from 8th May's swing high $0.7427. Looking at the technical indicators, first major support level, $0.3393 pivot level, $0.3534 first major resistance level, $0.3675 23.6% fib retracement level, $0.5691 38.2% fib, $0.4618 62% fib, $0.2882. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.